Hi, this is Tinigenie back with another reading for Gemini. Hi Gemini, I hope you're doing good today. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a reading for Gemini, but I'm going to base it on Chinese zodiac astrology also, so it'll be some of that in here. So it'll be Aquarius, but it'll be kind of based on what year you were born. So, but you know, if it resonates with you, it does. I'm sorry that the camera's shaking. I'm trying to steady it. I don't know what's wrong with it. But anyway, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're doing good, Gemini. Let me get you some cards. We are going to start with the rat. So, whoever this person is, this Gemini is highly intelligent. Like, first of all, Geminis overall are highly intelligent, known for communication skills. But they also, this person also knows how to strategize and use their communication skills to outsmart people and build strategies and, you know, just for overall resourcefulness. So that's great. It's showing right here. Interesting. Okay. So some of you are in a very go-getter energy. You are in a Mercury energy, which means that you may communicate a lot on your job, or you may do something where you have to, I don't know, travel to new cities for some of you, or just approach new things, or you're doing that in your life right now, and it's going to lead you to this stable life that you always wanted, a very peaceful one on top of that. Yeah. Somebody may want to come in and give you a new life. They may see you as their person. This person may be an Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fellow air sign. They may be a Gemini also, or they could just be Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Anything else, Spirit? You've been in this energy where you felt kind of, I don't know, like you've been through a lot. Yeah, this person, whoever you are, you've been through a lot, but you seem to be shedding that energy and coming out of it. Soon you are going to be at the end of whatever this cycle is, and it's going to make you feel very light. I think that some of you may just need a vacation. This is this vacation. You know, you finally get into the place that you want to professionally or in life right now. And realizing that, you know, you've done the best you can for right now. And kind of sort of going on a vacation and having this change of scenery. You know, where you come back fresh and able to, I don't know, just work better. Because whoever you are shedding skin and constantly moving into a new environment. Or, into a new reality, if that makes sense to you. So, in the Fool's energy, sky's the limit for you because you have no problem with starting over. As a matter of fact, this is something that you do a lot. For some of you, this may be what that is. You may have been in a marriage and you may be at the point where you're starting over now, but you know, you feel a little bit bruised or something like that. You know, you're still going through it a lot emotionally, and you know, you're almost at the end of that cycle right now, but you're not quite there yet. The ox spirit is coming now. The end is coming. Some of you are beating yourself up about what happened when you can't really control it. Excuse me. Some of you, this is competition at work. Somebody is jealous of you. They may be doing spells on you. Yep. They are jealous of how you make your money. This person may be, or you may be the leader of some kind of community, but also God has stepped in and said that this is over. Whatever kind of weird competition this is, the divine is tired of it. It is over. It is over. I think somebody may have been trying to stop your money. This may have been somebody at work. This person, you'll know who they are because they speak to you in a certain way. They have a very low vibrational. And I don't even normally say this. This person is ghetto. They're stupid. They say stupid things, start stupid things. That person may be getting fired soon. You may be the one that has to fire them. You may be the one that's about to get the position because they may be a boss or something like that. But yeah, something about to happen with that. Tiger, please. Oh. Okay, somebody might be seeing 1010. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, whoever is in this tiger energy, it's a very aggressive energy. For some of you, this is about leadership, right? This is about leadership, but this is also about you taking on more than you can. It's a lot of disappointment in this. Some of you may need to worry about your health with working in a situation like this because this is a lot of low vibrational energy. A lot of it is a lot of overworking, trying to get a position that you may or may not get, right? And in this particular point in time, some of you may be going through a heartbreak or you may be missing out on love because of this job that's overworking you right now or something like that. You may be going through a breakup because of how much you work. Some of you are just a workaholic, period, and point blank. And you might need to take some time off. Right? For some of you, this is not that. This is a competition over you. Or over your person. Right? I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is some kind of breakup. But it seems to be some kind of big brawl that may have happened. This is a twin flame for some of you. And this person is having a battle between heart and mind. I don't know if this person has ever felt like this before, but I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah, this person doesn't know how to feel about you, but they want a victory with you. Because this is a 5, they eventually want to go to a 6 with you. But maybe you have already cut this off because you're over it. This person is your twin, though. This may be you two fighting. Somebody wants to know how you make your money and how you're so skilled at what you do. Heavy Capricorn here. Somebody might be a Capricorn, a Leo, a Virgo, heavy Earth. Whoever this person is, this rabbit, Gemini rabbit, has a lot of money. A lot of income coming in. Choices on income. A lot of it. highly skilled at what you do and how you make your money. People want to know how you do it. Don't tell them. Just keep going. But if you know who these people are, because you're highly intuitive, whoever I'm talking to listens way more than they speak. Some of you may be strict around how you spend your money right now. Because you may be going back to school for some of you, or about to get out of school. Some of you are choosing a career. Let's keep going. Dragon. Some of you are coming into this energy where you are about to go through a new cycle of abundance, and somebody is trying to stop it. It's a new cycle here, though they can't. Because like I said, you're highly skilled at what you do, and you're a go-getter. They don't like that. You also have a lot of secrets on how you do what you do. You might have incomes that you don't talk about, investments that you don't speak about, but it's something like that. This is definitely a certain kind of skill set, but it's a lot of secrets around it, so people might not know because you don't talk about it. Again, like I said, this is also people that are jealous of how skilled you are and how you make so much money. Some of you may be a business owner. And some of you may be about to have a baby, and for the people that are about to have a baby, watch the doctors that you take them to, is what I'm hearing. Some of them might not have credentials. That sounds so weird. It's something about credentials and or skills, practices, and secrets. So be mindful. For some of you, this might just be somebody around you with secrets that's trying to find out or investigate you. Also be mindful of that. Keep going. This person that I'm talking to right now is highly intuitive. Yeah. You may have a lot of water in your chart, or you may just be with somebody that's a Cancer. A lot of Cancer here. It's this battle going on within, and you try to fight your emotional side. Yeah, because you're in the Empress energy overall, very abundant energy, and you can't let your emotions get too much out of whack because it will mess up everything that you got going on. Whoever this is very successful. You may be a counselor, a psychiatrist, psychologist, somebody that gives advice or just give good advice. You may also give people advice on contracts or be some kind of marriage counselor or somebody that marries people. Whatever it is, you're good at what you do. A lot of people believe in you, respect you. You look good too. This came out like this. Just want it to come out. Somebody wants to talk to you, okay? Alright. So now that we got that out the way. I'm sorry. Goodness, what am I doing with these cards? Yeah. Okay. 77 might be important to you right now. It's a few scenarios here. So I'm just go with the ones that I see. Somebody said that they wanted to work with you. At first you were guarded, but you let this person in and they may have deceived you and stole something from you. Or you may have found out that this person just wasn't who they said they were, so they kind of sort of deceived you in some way. And now they want to talk to you. If they stole something from you, they want to talk to you about not suing them or trying to settle whatever debt this is. And you are not really wanting to hear that. You don't want to hear it. Okay, you don't trust this person anymore. And you're willing to sue them or do whatever you need to do to take it further. Okay? So this is for some of you. For others, this is about a relationship. You were guarded. You did not want to let this person in. And this person, even though you may or may not have been with this person, it doesn't seem like it was a whole lot going on between you because, as I said, you were guarded. Even though this person wanted to come in, they didn't approach it right. They were kind of afraid to talk to you. This is not always about stealing. This could be about deception and failed communication. Somebody not telling you how they really feel about you. This person wants to talk to you. So that's for some of you. And I don't think that you really want to because you don't think this person likes you. You don't. They've been giving you mixed signals. You focused on your money. And you really want something that is worthy of your time. And you think they just want sex. Even though you may be wrong, they want to come in and fight for this. So there's that. This person may be a fellow air sign. They may be another Gemini, but they may be Aquarius or a Libra also. And or Earth sign, Taurus, Libra, Capricorn, Taurus, Libra. Wow, they may be a Libra because I said that twice. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign. Heavy on a Sagittarius, but they might be an Aries, Sagittarius, or a Leo. Keep going. Are you a lawyer or somebody that is like a financial counselor or something, Gemini, that was born in the goat sheep years? You seem to be good with money or just good with building stability. You're very intelligent. You're at the top of your game. Some of you may have an online business. And some of you may invest in crypto or something like that, or just have long-term investments, or just have a lot of money that you've been building over time. Yeah. A lot of investments. Some of you may own real estate. Some of you may work around real estate. Whoever you are, this Gemini that was born is a monkey in the Chinese zodiac. You've been through a lot in love. It seems like you've been through a lot, but you seem to have a decent life overall. You may be waiting for your ships to come in as far as love goes, but money-wise, you seem to be stable. You seem to have everything that you want, but you still seem to be bound by some kind of feelings or something that happened. I don't know. It's something about love. Yep, the lovers. So I don't know if it is some kind of work contract that went awry, or you feel like you overworked and don't have time for love, or it just never works out for you and you're wondering when your ships are going to come in. Soon. Soon. I think that the person that you're looking for may already be around you. Boost it, please. You may already know them. Yeah. Somebody wants you, okay? This person is, yeah. They like how you carry yourself. They like the fact that you demand respect. They know that you get a whole lot of attention. They have changed perspective on you recently. They've been thinking about whether they wanted to do this with you, and they do. You may be seeing 666 a lot, okay? Or 66. But look, 2, 6, 12. So it's a lot with 6, 12, like, what's that, multiples of 6 here, I guess. And yeah, so take that as it resonates. But this person wants to work something out with you. I don't know, like I said before, I don't know what happened between y'all, but I think that this person may have held back their feelings before. They seem to be getting this change of perspective now after they kind of sort of thought about. This person is a overthinker. Like, they overthink every single detail of something before they come to a decision. I don't know why. They move kind of slow, you know, as far as being able to change their perspective and move forward and actually do something as far as coming towards somebody. It's been this battle with them, right? For some of you, this person may be your twin flame. For others of you, this person just may be mirroring you right now. But this person does want to come in and talk to you, right? They know that they did some things, said some things, or didn't say something. It's something like that, right? And now they want to come talk to you. This person may be a fire sign, heavy on the Leo here. This person may be a Leo. Or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They may also be a fellow air sign, Libra, Pisces. Goodness gracious, I can't even talk. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, or a Pisces. So there's that. The Tower. Okay. Somebody wants to come in and tell you the truth after they were either surrounded by witches or had spell work done on them. They wanted to come in with this offer, but it's something about these women that, I don't know, was the reason that they held back the truth. This person has recently cut these people out. If this was not that, this could be some kind of rumors that was spread around about you. Somebody definitely wanted to come toward you. Yeah. And if not, something has recently blown up in somebody's face because, yeah, they they want to come toward you. They are bound by these feelings. They have recently had a change in perspective and they want to come offer you something, but somebody or something is trying to stop them. Yeah. Somebody feels bound by some kind of decision also. This may be you. This doesn't really say anything about work. This should just be surrounding, that your surroundings. You may have felt bound by something, but something wasn't built on a very strong foundation, and this is why it crumbled. I think that you may have recently understood that, you came to that realization. This may have been some kind of offer or somebody that wanted to offer you something. I'm not sure exactly what that was. It could be romantic, it could be business, but it was something. For some of you, this is not that. This was online dating. This person, somebody may be talking about you online. I'm getting that heavy. Pick, please. Pick, please. If somebody's wish fulfillment, they want a relationship or just to work with you, just to contract with you. Some people it's work, some people it's love. They are contemplating how to come in right now. For some of you, somebody might be in court, and this might be them deciding on this person's fate. Well, this is, yeah. But, yeah. This person, if it's not that, this person may have just gone to jail recently. Or just gotten out of jail recently. This could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Gemini, a water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, or a fellow air sign. Everybody's here, basically. Yeah. So let me get you some more messages. And you may be single, the person that is, yeah, because somebody wants to come in. I think they want to come in. Somebody's watching you. Yeah, they try to talk to you through songs. Some of you may have been ghosted. Ooh, and some of you may have found out that this was somebody's side piece. Yeah. That's over. You may have been ghosted because somebody had facade piece, if that makes sense. Like, they didn't want you to find out, so they just ghosted you. I don't know. Something weird. Was weird. Well, that's what they do. Yeah. The people in the tiger one may have found out that this... Wow, it's a lot of cheating going on here. Yeah, this may be what these fights are. You feeling burdened by this person's secrets and cheating. You may have found out that somebody is not the marrying kind. Yeah. Somebody has a sex addiction. Yeah. Whoever you are, that rabbit Gemini, you have a lot of faith. A lot of faith. And a lot of times it's gotten you through these very hard periods where this person may have done you dirty. That's for some of you. Yeah, you found out about this person. And instead of going off, you just prayed. And moved on. I don't think this person's used to that. They probably wanted you to chase them. Yeah, somebody's saying, they're saying something about if you going to court, the dragon Gemini, that, yeah, somebody's mad. Yeah, I said that they was jealous. And you might be suing somebody. It's looking like victory. Yeah, you don't want to work something out with somebody. Yep. Yeah. Just saying that, yep, you've been guarded. Yeah, you put up a wall against somebody recently. Or they put up a wall against you. And you don't want to work it out. Okay, the person that was born in the year of the horse. Oh, you had to cut some people off, I see. Yeah, you don't think about them no more. This came in reverse, and there's no more drama. Wow. Wow, you cut all that off. You're like, nope. Look at how you guarded it up. Like, no. No, we're not doing this. I like it. Cool. Somebody's going on a vacation. Go and have fun. Yeah, somebody's trying to trigger you. Or maybe this was in the past, trying to pull on your heartstrings. But a vacation should help that, clean that up a little bit. Hopefully. Yeah, you've been feeling bound lately. It's saying that you're going through a dark night, but just a shadow period. Maybe you've been seeing somebody's true colors. Yeah. You cut somebody off recently also. Probably cut a lot of people off. Because you're trying to build a good life for yourself. Uh-oh. Somebody's doing witchcraft on the rooster Gemini. Yeah. It might be a love spell because this person wants to be with you so bad. You might have known this person from childhood. Or it might just be somebody around you that is not telling you how they feel. That excuse me, did a spell on you because it's feeling weird, like a weird energy. Yeah. Yes, sir, this person, these people was definitely trying to do something to you, look unhealthy. They might have been poisoning your drinks. You might have gone out with somebody and they might have been trying to poison you, and you were protected, but it's definitely something going on with these people, I'm telling you. These people with the dog Gemini spirit, I think they was doing spells on you or something. Yeah, they jealous of you. Yep. For some of you, this person feels like they've known you from a past life, if this is a person. They want to talk to you. They want to tell you that. Yeah. Somebody was spreading rumors about you. Maybe they want to talk about how somebody was talking behind your back. Be careful. Be very careful with these people because I don't trust them. I don't trust them at all. They want to keep you in your emotions, which is just, I'm not. Somebody's in love with you, okay? They are in love with you, Gemini. Okay. Overall messages for Gemini, please. Overall messages. Yep, that's you. Aligning. Oop, too much. Somebody's getting karma. Yep. Yeah, somebody that's a mess. That's those jealous people. That's why they mad. This is you. Spiritual rooting. Getting your spiritual house in order with this mind-body unity card. Beautiful. Yeah, somebody is detached from reality. Someone around you has a problem with daydreaming and suffers from a distorting reality or delusions of grandeur. Someone is on designer drugs, deadly designer drugs. Like, I think you know what I've just said. Read the card. It says, look it up if you like, but yeah. Black, the womb, extreme growth and expansion. This is a nurturing and abundant soul. I mean, you are a nurturing and abundant soul. You help things grow and expand. You may have a lot of children, plants, or animals. Remember, most things grow or are conceived in the dark and are then brought to light. Beautiful. Underestimate. Someone around you thought that you could be easily controlled or deceived. They got a rude awakening. Let's keep going. Guilt. Someone's feeling guilty. Yeah, probably that person that was daggone jealous and trying to throw salt in the game. Let me see which pile this is. Yes, I guess it's the person now, but yeah, probably the one that was doing spells. Someone likes the barbecue. Envy. Someone wants to be you and yearns for what you have. They lose sleep over this. Materialistic. I buy expensive things and fake flex so that I feel better about myself. I don't understand that I'm overcompensating for being empty and feeling like I'm not enough. Not good enough. Somebody, it may be a singer, rapper, or musician. Somebody may have a love interest that has a huge age gap. Excuse me. Okay, this one fell first. Angry. Someone's angry because you don't want to be in a relationship anymore. They are also angry because you cut contact and are not chasing them. Somebody may have daughters. Somebody may like Japanese food. Somebody may be online dating. Athletic for the streets. Wow. They may be rich. Yeah, somebody's twin flames here. Somebody might like to take selfies. Gaslighting. Someone around you has manipulated you psychologically and made you question your sanity, memory, or intelligence. No reaction. Someone is angry because they can't get a reaction from you. It's not your child. Exiled. Somebody has been dishonored or disowned from their family. Like they've been shut out from family, and somebody owns a mansion. Somebody dates people that have no substance. Superficial, no depth, dead inside. Okay, Gemini, this is what I have for you right now. I thank you so very much for letting me read your energy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.